to the correct storage of ropes. Pack rope into halves. Fold each length by a half a number until compact. Tie compact rope into overhand knot and store rope when dry. This next knot is the reef knot. It's also known as the square knot. For this knot, we need 2 ropes. It was originally for reefing sails. You can also use it for binding, especially against curved surfaces. So you start off with one end of one of the ropes. Take the second rope, you go in, underneath, and pull through and lay it over the top rope. Take that end of the top rope and go underneath the overlapping rope. After that, you just give it a tug and pull it together. And there you have it. This knot is the bowline knot. It has a secure loop at the end of the rope, and it is used to tie to a ring or to a post. The load that is tied to a ring or to the post does not slip, and you can open it easily. So we lay the rope across our left hand with the free end hanging down. From a small loop in the line of your hand. Bring the free end up to pass through the eye from the underside. Wrap the line around the standing line and back down through the loop. Tighten the knot by pulling the free end while holding a standing line. This knot is the trucker's hitch. It is a mechanical advantage when tightened, and it is to secure loads on trucks or trailers. We are going to tie one end of the rope to a fixed object. You can use a car bumper or whatever, something that is stable. About midway on the rope, there's a slippery half hitch to form a loop in the middle of the line. Make a wrap around another fixed point opposite to the tie-in point and feed free and through the loop. Using the loop as a pulley, pull down with the free end as tight as you can and secure the knot with 2 half hitches around one or both lines. This is the 2 half hitches knot, and it is a binding knot. So we need a fixed object. Pass the end of a rope around the fixed object and tie your overhand knot. For the 2 half hitches, repeat with a second overhand knot in the same direction. This is the sheet bend knot. It is used for joining 2 ropes of unequal size, which we do not have right now, but you'll get the point. First, we form a loop in the end of one rope. We then pass the free end of the rope to be joined under the opening of the loop around both parts of the first rope and back under itself. After that, we pull all 4 ends together, tighten the knot, et voila. This is the double fisherman's knot. It is used to join 2 ends of a line together. It is also used for climbing, and it is suitable for abseiling. First, you lay the end of 2 lines parallel to each other. Coil the free end of one rope twice around the second rope and pass it back through the inside of the coils. Number 1. Repeat with second rope in opposite direction. Pull free ends to tighten knots, then standing lines to slide knots together. This is the taut line hitch. It is used on lines under tension, and it is used for securing tent lines or securing loads on vehicles. Make a turn around a post or other object several feet away from the free line. Coil the free end twice around the standing line, working back towards a post. Make 1 additional coil around the standing line on the outside of the coils just made. Tighten the knot and slide it on the standing line to adjust tension.